Hey guys, today we are going to be checking my crypto journey in 2021 so far. So let's come on here. If you have Binance account, you should see something like your crypto journey in 2021. So I'm right here and I want to show you guys my crypto journey. So let's discover and know what happened in 2021. So just stay tuned. So okay, so I'm going to put this, this is normal, this money, right? Ready to go. So you guys already know that. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So the reason why for this is so that you could be able to see on the progress. So it's very important, and I saw this and I was very happy. So let's check this. Oh man, so something is wrong. Okay, so this year I tried Binance Earn for the first time and found more ways to grow my crypto. So let's go back. I think we missed out something, right? So let's come on here again. Oh, sorry about that. My battery is low at the moment, and let's try something. Okay, so I'm a loyal Binancian, and they are thanking me for sharing my crypto journey with them for 596 days. And also saying that I am earlier than 98% of the world. So you can imagine that. So I'm going to click again to discover what happened again. So this one is piggy bank. Okay, so piggy bank is more like this Binance Earn. Okay, I was able to put in so much money into all of that. So they're telling me this year, which was about last year, 2021. You tried Binance Earn for the first time and found more ways to grow my crypto. So that was what I did. So you could also do the same thing. I have many videos here on how to earn money on Binance. So let's check on the next one. So another one is I traded BNB for the first time on 2021, right? And hopefully it was well-informed decision. So if you check this particular time, when I started buying BNB on Binance, then you know that I was able to make so much money on BNB. So that's also what I did. But I didn't buy BNB first on Binance, right? I started buying BNB on Trust Wallet. So let's check on the next one. So the next one is Make It Rain, right? So my largest single trade occurred on 2021, right? And that was about on February. I don't know if on February. So when that was when I traded about that amount of BTC. I don't know if that's on February. Correct me if I'm not, if I'm mistaken or anything like that. So let's check on the next one. So fly me to the moon. So on 2021, which was on 2021 sure, I posted you posted your highest single day spot trading, which was at 37%. So that was, I made so much money. That was January, February, March, April. That was around April. I started making so much money on Binance, because I was trading on spot trading for the most part. So it was a very crazy experience, and at the same time it was very good experience as well, because I was able to make so much money. That was when I grew my $3,000 to the amount it is right now, about 29,000 and all that amount. So let's check on the next one. So around this time, they're telling me for the love of crypto, you hit $142,000 in cumulative trading volume this year. So this is okay. So let's check on the next one. As you can see, I was making a very good my journey on crypto has been so bullish, and it has been so interesting, and at the same time it has been a bit satisfying, and at the same time the journey has been rough. For those of you guys that are already on crypto, you can be able to give account of what has been or what has happened last year. So let's check on the next one. So you've got a friend in me. There's nothing like a good, loyal, and dependable friend. So in 2021, I invited 14 friends to try Binance, and that's awesome. So let's check on the next one. So there's a popular with the peers, right? So I made about $10,000, 500 in P2P crypto transaction this year. That one is normal. Let's check on the next one. So venture into NFT, the unknown. NFT, DeFi, staking, and OTC all convert are still waiting for you to discover. So I've not discovered all of these ones right now because they are not the top of the list for me at the moment, but I am going to try to check them. And the reason why I've not even checked them is because, you know, there are multitude of things to discover right now in the crypto space. For those of you guys who already understand our crypto space, there are many things to learn about. There are different things to do now to earn money, and every time I keep on trying to discover more so we can all make money together. So if you're new to the channel or you know, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and this will help a lot. So let's click on there to know on what it's gonna be. Wow. Swipe up for your 2021 achievement. So yeah, telling me congratulations, you are person number, wow, this is about a million, right, to complete the journey to the moon, rainy gold. So this is very good, right? And let's see how this 2022 is going to pan out. So for those of you guys who are following me on here and you want to also join me to 100x your money and all of that, this will be a very nice experience and we both can make money, right? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our daily uploads. I want to explain something here real quick, right? Before you leave, don't leave that video. It's very much important to listen to this. You know, this, you are earlier than 98% of the world. This means that you and I are both early into the crypto space, which means that a lot of people right now haven't even been able to, like, many people do not understand what crypto is all about, and there is no vast adoption of crypto right now, which means that you still have so much opportunity to be able to make money even in the next 2 years, because people are still going to be adopting crypto little by little, or this may take a little time, who knows. But what I want you guys to understand is that you are very early to crypto. Do not allow what you see in the market to deceive you, because all this Ethereum, Bitcoin that has risen and all of that, it shouldn't move you. Try to look into most coins that could be able to give you exactly what you can actually get your hands on, and over the long run maybe you could then you could be able to make so much money and all that. So there are still opportunities that are still going to be coming up, like Solana, Binance, and most of other coins out there, Web3 coins, altcoins. I have many other videos right here on the channel, so try to look for them and try to invest. So even if you're holding on, even if you have $100, do not even try to be scared about nothing. Remember, it's not about what you have that matters. What matters in the market is about how you use what you have to be able to get your hands on that goal which you are aiming for. Okay, so what you have and your IQ is what matters in the crypto market. People that even have about $100,000, they end up not knowing on how to grow that money, and at the same time they lose half of that money, right? So even if you have $200, $100, you need to try to look into low cap coins that you know that could do very well. I have many other videos here for you, low cap coins to buy. Then try to look into it, then invest most of your money into metaverse coins. Forget about NFT for now, okay? Do not try to buy NFT with your money for now. It's not that NFT doesn't have no long-term value, but you need to understand the industry that a lot of people create NFT. Before you know it, they sell the NFT, and you will now people who buy the NFT. People who buy the NFT are mostly them. So this is more like marketing for people to be able to believe that they were able to sell the NFT at a very huge amount. Why they were the person who was able to use their own money to purchase that NFT. So right now is not a good time to start buying NFT. Focus on altcoins and some other shitcoins. But shitcoins, you shouldn't go all in. Shitcoin, you should only be putting about $10 only. You shouldn't put in more than that amount. But shitcoin, people make so much money on that too, but you shouldn't go all in. So the best one for you, if you're a startup, if you're starting up, the best one for you should be the altcoin, because altcoin, they are more like increasing day by day, and there are many potential projects that could be able to give you exactly what you are looking for. So the best thing for you to do is to go out there, or you get on the channel, on my channel Renegade LLC, so you could be able to find most of the altcoins I've made video about, and try to look into them, buy them whenever the market is on the negative. I mean, whenever the market is on the bearish, whenever there's a red market. If you're new to that crypto space, you need to keep on pushing little by little, and check in the description of this video and find most of all the most essential information that might be of value to you, and catch you on the next one.